So this class we will have a discussion on features of party system or nature of political party. While I was analyzing about the meaning of political party at that time, I have explained some features of political party, but now I will have a detailed analysis on features of political party or nature of political party. So that is first features of political party, that all political parties are disciplined organization. All political parties are disciplined organization. Why political parties are disciplined organization? Now in every political party, that may be in India BJP, that may be Congress party or CPM, CPIM or any other regional parties who those regional political parties are working in India. All political parties having their own rules and regulations, basic principles. These principles, members of political parties are expected to strictly follow. So accordingly, every political party in India having certain principles, rules and regulations, and all political parties, they are following, all political parties members, they used to follow definite principles. If any party member try to violate those definite principles, that party member will be expelled or set out from the party. So that is why each and every political party is having its power, have their power in their own hand to set out, to expel a party member if a party member is not following the basic principles of political party. Similarly, second principle is, that is second feature is ideology or principle, ideology and principle. Every political party having its own ideology. Political party basically basing on ideology, certain principles. Each and every political party came into existence, and every political party having its ambition to fulfill its ideology. So to fulfill its ideology, each and every political party, they contest in the struggle for power. That means they participate in the electoral process of a country. So according to the procedures of the constitution, according to the peaceful means that is present in the constitution, political party participate in the struggle for power. Means they participate in election. After winning election, they try to form government. After formation of government, they used to pass rules and regulations in legislature, and those rules and regulations basically passed keeping in view implementation of party ideology. So implementation of party ideology, fulfillment of ideology is another feature of each and every political party. For example, in India, Bharatiya Janata Party having had its own ideology or having its own ideology, that is abolition of special status of Jammu and Kashmir and construction of Ram Mandir, etc. So after coming to power, BJP, it has done well in the materialization of or fulfillment of its ideology. Similarly, third principles of political party, that is constitutional means to capture power. Each and every political party, they follow constitutional means. For example, in India, we are having one constitution, and constitution is the supreme in our country. And in the constitution it is written that in which way political parties should participate in the struggle for power. Means in which way they will participate, they will play dominating role in the electoral process of our country. So according to constitution, political party, they have to follow peaceful means or way that is present in the constitution, and by following the peaceful ways or means, every political party try to win over the heart of citizens. Means they try to attract the attention of citizens of India towards themselves. That means every political party, by its propaganda, electoral manifesto, try to capture attention of citizens so that citizens of India will cast vote in favor of them. This is called peaceful means. Similarly, whenever a opposition political party is opposing or will oppose a government or a ruling party, for this also in our constitution special provisions are there. Peacefully, we should follow peaceful means to oppose the government, to oppose any act, any law of the government. Okay, so then national interest. So fourth principle is national interest. Each and every political party, its motto is fulfillment of national interest. What is national interest? National interest means interest of common common wants of all citizens of India. That is national interest. For example, protection of territorial integrity, sovereignty, unity, integrity of India, promotion of economic development, making friendly relationship with other countries, peaceful resolution of international conflict. These are the national interest of India. And maximum political parties of India, they have accepted this national interest. So after coming to power, every political party is trying to fulfill the national interest of our nations. So here I want to say to you that political parties, they are beyond the parochial interest. They never represent any parochial or partial interest. They always try to represent broader, wider interest of the society. That wider interest which is irrespective of caste, creed, color, religion or regionalism. The interest which is beyond caste, creed, color, religion